I'm happy to be here.
We're so happy to have you. We're so happy to have you. Mr. Ali Alibai of Talent Africa. So great to have you here today.
It's great to be here.
Yes, so Ali, if I can ask you, please share some remarks about this momentous occasion, Afrigo at 50 with Kofi Olomide. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling really good. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Talent Africa Group, I'd like to take this moment to say how truly honored we are to be a part of such a historic celebration. To the legendary Afrigo band, thank you for the opportunity to work alongside you on this monumental event. For 50 years, you have been the soundtrack of Uganda, inspiring generations with your music, your style, and your legacy. Tonight, we celebrate not only your incredible journey, but the joy and unity you've brought to so many lives. A very special thank you to Kofi Olomide for joining us all the way from France. Your presence adds an unforgettable touch to this celebration, and we are thrilled to witness this rare and powerful collaboration between you and Afrigo band. And of course, none of this would have been possible without the support of our partners. To our title sponsor, Stanbic Bank, thank you for believing in this vision and helping us to make it a reality. And to all our other incredible sponsors, Tusker Mall, Sheraton, Toyota by Safal, NBS, Capital FM, Safe Boda, Alliance Francaise, Pepsi, UCC, and UPBC. Your support and partnership have been instrumental in bringing this dream to life. From all of us at Talent Africa Group, we are beyond excited for this concert. It's more than a concert, actually. It's a once-in-a-lifetime moment, a celebration of music, culture, and unity. Tickets are very limited and selling very fast. I suggest you buy your tickets as soon as possible because this show may sell out. Thank you, enjoy the music, and let's make this Saturday a night that Uganda will never forget. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Alibai. Mr. Moses Matovu, it is so great to see you, and it's such an honor to have you here today.
Thank you very much.
So as a founding member, how does it feel to be hitting 50 years?
Actually, I'm so honored and humbled to be with the star of Africa, Kofi Olomide, to be with us on our 50th anniversary of the Afrigo band. And we also very appreciative to Mr. Ali, Talent Africa, to bring the star in our country. It's great. And I hope it is going to be in the history of Uganda music. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so happy to be here tonight with my friend, Kofi Olomide.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Mr. Matovi. Now moving to the man of the hour, Mr. Kofi Olomide. Thank you so much for coming to Uganda. We're so happy to have you here to celebrate this enormous milestone. So I want to ask you, what can you say? What are your thoughts on Afrigo band's contribution to music over the last 50 years?
My English is Frenchy, because I'm Frenchman. I'm sorry. I'm not in my best day. Trying to understand what I mean. I'm very happy, I'm very proud to have been chosen like a special guest for this famous band of Africa, Afrigo, for the 55 years of success. What can I say apart? Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
We will try to do like you, but it will be very difficult. Me, I'm something like 45 years in Africa only. And congratulations. Please continue again 50 years.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ali, for this organization. Thank you. Kings of media, queens of media, to be here tonight. I'm impressed and very happy. Sorry for my English once again.
It's okay.
It's all right. We understood you just fine. So I want to ask you on Saturday.
You know, I'm not a trader of win. I invite people to come and to, I would say, to celebrate, to meet, to touch, to see. Hello, people need to come. Must come to see. I I can't say with words. I love my job. I respect my public, my fans. I respect the press. I respect this grand man, Afrigo. So we are here. Nothing can be better than being in Kampala now. We are here for you.
Absolutely, and we so look forward to seeing you take that stage on Saturday. Now, moving on to Stanbic Bank.
Do not forget.
Yes.
It's Afrigo's show,
Yes.
not Kofi's show.
Yes.
Thank you.
Afrigo Band at 50 featuring Kofi Olomide. We can't wait for this Saturday. We're so excited. Now moving on to Stanbic Bank. I want to ask you, how does Stanbic's FlexiPay enhance the customer experience for those going to attend Afrigo at 50?
Thank you. Welcome, Kofi. We've been cooking this for a couple of weeks now. I think Ali said it well, we're close to selling out. We've sold over 3,000 tickets on FlexiPay alone, and I really hope the fans out there have got their tickets and they're excited for this show. It's going to be phenomenal. Afrigo have been preparing for you. Kofi's here to just be the icing on the cake. But the truth is, even when you come, FlexiPay allows you to come cashless. There's going to be a lot of discounts, and I know my colleague will be talking about the offers that we'll have on the drinks. So if you are going to spend, just load your wallet and spend, carry your Visa card, and you'll be able to comfortably enjoy without worrying about having cash on you. But more importantly is for me to say, we're looking forward to having you there. Come dressed in your favorite attire. I don't know what the Afrigo theme is, but if you're Congolese like my brother here, perhaps you can be colorful. Me, I'll be blue, that's for sure, but maybe with some raz. But bring your dancing shoes. It's going to be a blast. It really is going to be fun. So if you're still on the fence and you haven't yet bought your ticket, please do so at FlexiPay, *291#. Get your ticket now before they sell out. And thank you.
Thank you so much. Now moving on to UBL. Let's talk about your long-standing connection with music and Uganda's cultural heritage. What does it mean to you to be celebrating Afrigo Band at 50?
Right, thank you. So as UBL, we are known to celebrate life every day, everywhere. So this is part of the celebration here. And as Tusker Malt, of course, we're known to celebrate craftsmanship. And